Come test drive the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, power brakes, dual exhaust, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.